Jai Srimanarayana. 10th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhiyogam tam yena mam vupayanti te. Om. Constantly keep craving for Sri Krishna Paramatma's association. Keep worshipping Sri Krishna Paramatma and keep intensely meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma for his communion with you. Definitely Sri Krishna Paramatma gives you his sakshatkaram. Out of his compassion and love, he gives you highly elevated Krishna's consciousness to you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall constantly keep craving for your divine association. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall constantly worshipping you and intensely meditating upon you for your divine communion with me. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, please give me your divine sakshatkaram. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 128th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, When all the Gopalas complained to Yasoda Devi saying that Krishna ate mud, then Yasoda Devi asking Krishna, "Why did you do?" Then Krishna saying, "If you do not believe in me, oh my dear mother, smell my mouth." Like that he said, and he is now getting ready to open his mouth. Yasoda Devi also saying like this, "Yadi evam tarhi vyadehi." If you are telling the truth, come on, open your mouth. When Yasoda Devi said like that, Saha Bhagavan Harihi Vyadatta, immediately he opened his mouth. Who is he? He is now looking like Gopala Bala, but there are so many magics, miraculous activities behind him. Who is he? He is Sakshat Srihari, Srimannarayana. But here now he is behaving like a son of Nanda and Yasoda. Avyahata Aishwaryaha Krida Manujabalakaha. He is Sakshat Paramatma who would never give up his supremacy, who would never be away from his supremacy. Such Paramatma now behaving like a human boy and behaving like a son of Nanda Yasoda. And then he has opened his mouth, Yasoda Devi looking into that mouth. Sa tatra dadrushe visvam jagat stasnucha kham dishaha adri dvipa abdi bhugolam vayu agni indu tarakam jyotischakram jalam tejaha nabhasvan viyat indriyani manaha matraha gunastrayah etat vichitram. ఆలలితాంగికనుంగొనె బాలుని ముఖమందు జలధి పర్వతవన భూగోళ శిఖితరణి శశి దిక్పాలాది కరండమైన బ్రహ్మాండంబున్. Yasodadevi is now looking into Krishna's mouth. Krishna showing the entire universe to Yasodadevi. Within his mouth he is showing that. In that entire universe, Krishna is showing all beings and entire space, all sides, all mountains, all oceans, all islands, entire Bhugolam, Agni, Vayu, Chandra, all stars, entire Jyotirmandalam, everything Krishna showing, Yasoda Devi witnessing in Krishna's mouth. Not only that, suno hotanau vidarita anye vikshya vrajam saha atmanam avapasankam. In Krishna's mouth, Yasoda Devi not only seeing entire universe but also seeing herself, and along with her entire Vraja Dhamam, entire Nanda Vrajam, she is able to see, she is seeing everything in Krishna's mouth, and immediately got shocked and got scared. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 10th chapter 10th श्लोक. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगन्तं येन माम् उपयान्ति ते. తేషాం సతతయుక్తానాం భజతాం ప్రీతిపూర్వకం దదామి బుద్ధియోగం తం ఏన మాం ఉపయాంతి తే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.